For over a decade, the Mercedes Benz CLA has been the ultimate gateway to luxury, a sleek, stylish sedan that promises prestige without breaking the bank. But now, the stage is set for an epic showdown. On one side, the 2025 CLA, refined, proven, and ready to defend its crown. On the other, the all-new 2026 CLA, a third-generation revolution that's here to rewrite the rules. This isn't just a comparison. This is a battle of generations. Who will come out on top? Let's find out. First, let's meet the reigning champion, the 2025 CLA. This is the final evolution of the second-generation model, and it's not going down without a fight. With its iconic fastback silhouette, LED headlights, and panoramic sunroof, it's a car that commands attention. But beneath its stylish exterior lies a machine built for the everyday driver who craves a touch of luxury. Under the hood, the 2025 CLA packs a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system. It delivers 221 horsepower and 258 lb-ft of torque with an 8-speed automatic transmission, sending power to the wheels. Front-wheel drive is standard, but if you're craving more control, all-wheel drive is waiting in the wings. On the road, the 2025 CLA hits 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.6 seconds for the all-wheel drive variant. It's not a full-blown sports car, but it's quick, responsive, and tuned for comfort. The suspension glides over bumps, making it perfect for long drives or city commutes. But is it enough to hold its own against a newcomer? Or is it about to be dethroned? Step inside the 2025 CLA, and you'll find a cabin that's both modern and luxurious. The 10.3-inch infotainment screen takes center stage, surrounded by a leather-wrapped steering wheel and artful circular air vents. It's a space that feels premium, though there are some compromises. Rear seat headroom is tight, and the materials, while high quality, hint at its entry-level positioning. But for the driver and front passenger, it's a comfortable, well-appointed environment. And with features like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and the Hey Mercedes voice assistant, it's clear that the 2025 CLA is still a force to be reckoned with. But the question remains, can it stand up to the future? Now, prepare yourself for the challenger, the all-new 2026 CLA. This isn't just an update, it's a revolution. Built on an entirely new platform, the 2026 CLA is sleeker, bolder, and packed with cutting-edge technology. The exterior features a modern redesign with the Mercedes-Benz star motif integrated into the headlights and taillights. It's a statement, a declaration that the CLA is ready to dominate. But the real magic lies under the hood. The 2026 CLA introduces a brand new turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with a more advanced 48-volt hybrid system. This setup includes a 1.3 kilowatt-hour battery and a 27-horsepower electric motor, allowing for short bursts of electric-only driving. Mercedes hasn't released official 0 to 60 miles per hour times yet, but expect it to be around 6.0 seconds, slightly slower than the fully electric CLA variant, which can hit 60 miles per hour in a blistering 4.8 seconds. The hybrid system is designed to be seamless, with smooth transitions between gas and electric power. And the new electronic braking system? It's precise, linear, and confidence-inspiring. This isn't just a car, it's a glimpse into the future of driving. But is it enough to take down the 2025 CLA? Step inside the 2026 CLA, and you'll feel like you've entered a spaceship. The dashboard is dominated by a 10.3-inch digital gauge display and a massive 14-inch central touchscreen. And if that's not enough, there's an optional MB.OS superscreen that adds a third display for the passenger. It's a tech lover's dream, with Mercedes' new MB.OS operating system powering it all. Over-the-air updates, an AI-based virtual assistant, and a host of connected features make this the most advanced CLA ever. And let's not forget the space. The 2026 CLA is slightly larger than its predecessor, offering more legroom and headroom for passengers. The materials are also a step up, with brushed aluminum accents and plush leather upholstery, elevating the cabin to new heights of luxury. But will it be enough to win over loyalists of the 2025 model? Now, let's talk numbers. The 2025 CLA starts at $45,550 and goes up to $54,350, depending on trim and options. The 2026 CLA, on the other hand, is expected to start around $47,000 and top out at $58,000. It's a slight increase, but for the tech, efficiency, and luxury you're getting, it might just be worth every penny. But is it enough to justify the upgrade? So, how do these two compare on the road? The 2025 CLA is a proven performer, comfortable, refined, and packed with features. It's the safe choice, the one you know won't let you down. But the 2026 CLA? It's a leap into the future. With its advanced hybrid powertrain, futuristic interior, and cutting-edge tech, it's a car that demands attention. The question is, will it be enough to dethrone the 2025 model? The 2025 CLA is a testament to Mercedes-Benz commitment to luxury and performance. It's a car that stood the test of time, offering a blend of style, comfort, and value that's hard to beat. But the 2026 CLA? It's a bold statement, a vision of what's to come. With its advanced hybrid system, futuristic tech, and luxurious interior, it's a car that's ready to take on the future. The choice is yours. Stick with the tried and true, or embrace the future. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Would you go for the 2025 CLA, or are you ready to take the leap with the 2026 model? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more epic car comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.